A video diary of DU08EXC. So this is Keelem. Say hi.
Hello.
So what are you going to do to this car, Keelem?
It needs engine rebuild because it doesn't have a service history. So that's what we're going to do, an engine rebuild on it.
Tell me what you've done so far.
We've took obviously we took it for MOT just to get what we need doing from someone else's perspective. Lifted it up, taken the rad pack off, the bumper and the crash bar, and then now we're gonna take the exhaust off and all the exhaust shield.
So this is front end service mode. So why don't you tell me what you found so far?
An oil leak here.
Yep, it's quite a bad one.
Could be coming from here or here.
Yeah.
There's
It's all pretty bad down here, isn't it?
yeah. So it could also need just a new gasket in there.
What's this?
The oil filter housing.
Correct.
Needs a new belt because, as you can see, that's really bad.
It is bad, isn't it? Lots of oil around here as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there might be a leak coming from.
But we'll do that part of the rebuild.
Yeah.
So what did you fail on, MOT wise?
It failed on the spring. Yeah. You can see it's snapped off really bad.
So we've got a broken spring. That is, yeah, that's.
This should be there and
Yes.
attached to that.
But on the good side, bodywork's in pretty good order.
Yeah.
New discs and pads at the front, at least.
Yeah.
We've got some new wheels put on.
Yeah. These are the wheels we have on right now, but I thought it might look better with the 6-spoke. So we're gonna add those on.
Okay.
And on the front as well.
I mean, body-wise, it's all right. What mileage is what? About 70?
74.
Okay. And it's a 1.4 petrol. Cool. All right. Well, as we strip this down, we'll continue our film.
Okay.
Right. So where are we now?
Can't really see it, but the head's off up here.
Yeah.
So now I've put this on here so we don't get oil on the flexi.
Yep.
And now I'm gonna take all the sump bolts out, pull the sump off. In there's a pump which I then need to get off and the baffle, and then we could have access to the pistons, well, the bottom of the piston.
Okay. And there's a really bad oil leak on here, so that's going to be.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna clean it all off, take this off, and probably put a new gasket on there.
Definitely put a new gasket on there.
Definitely put a new gasket.
Okay. Cool. Nice one. So where are we then, Keelem? You've got the pistons out.
Got the pistons out.
So pistons are out.
All 4 of them up here.
So you've cleaned them up.
Yeah, I've just got this one left to do the grooves in there. And then we've got the new piston ring kits to put on those, and then we'll start putting them back in.
And you've got the.
Yeah, the oil filter housing to clean up. I was going to do that after I put the pistons back in.
So where are we at, Keelem?
So we've cleaned this
That's a
and
lot
all
cleaner.
the engine
Yeah.
block, the oil filter housing. I've had new seals on this.
Yes.
We're going to put the piston rings in here on the other 3, as we've done the same here on the big end bearings. So we're going to do that to these 3 as well. First, we've got to remove all the glaze in here
Okay.
by using this tool.
Yes.
Yeah.
So why do you remove the glaze?
The glaze is a polish made by the old piston rings. We need to remove that so the new piston rings can make their own, which gives it better compression, which has better fuel economy.
Good.
Okay, pistons are now in, as you can see, all of them. If you rotate it,
It's good.
I've torqued them up so they're at the right tightness.
Okay.
And then after that, I put the baffle on, which is under there,
And the oil pump.
and the oil
See?
pump.
Yep.
I'm going to torque the oil pump down and then clean up the sump, which is here. Clean it all up,
Yep.
put a new seal on it, and
Yep.
then put it back where it should be. The heads are on, all torqued up. Next all I'm going to do is put the timing chain in. I'm going to torque it up on the bottom end and the sprockets on the top. Okay, so the intake manifold is on
Yep.
now. The timing chain is torqued and timed. Next what we're going to do is put the exhaust system on there, the rocker cover, and then get it started.
And that'll be the acid test, eh?
Yeah. I've built the engine back up, got oil in it, connected everything back together, like connectors, the battery, and now we're going to start it to test everything's okay.
Moment of truth, Keelem. Are you worried?
Yeah.
A little bit. It's okay, do it again. Sounds alright. So what do you think now?
Yeah, it's good.
Are you relieved?
Yeah. We're done now, so we're going to take it off for MOT.